I'm looking for my friend. I'm not here at Cash. Speaking of, nakita ko na siya. Look at her run! Look at her run! Look at her run! I already saw her. Gwen, nakita na kita. So, it's... I don't know what's date today. 17? 18. It's 18 July. And we're having sleepover. Bro, she's gone. Gwen, napanood mo man ito, masasapak kita. Wherever you are. Wala na guys. Nawala na talaga siya. Here guys. And I will kill her right now. Down. Down. Pumira ka. Biglang tumakbo. Wala akong energy, Gwen. It's early in the morning. It's 11. It's still... Bro, it's the weather. Ang lamig. Scammer. Malayo pa lang. Actually, sabi ko sa vlog, I'm looking for my friend. Pagka ganun ko, and then biglang tumakbo. Nakita nyo naman yun eh. Kitang-kita ka sa video, Gwen, na tumakbo ka. And also, may isa akong scammer pa na kaibigan. Papunta pa lang siya. Sabi niya siya yung maagi.
Oh, sabi niya maagi.
Bro! Nasa ice cream kami. Don't touch my love. Sweet chicken cream. Wala kami coffee. Bro.
Ano yung midnight?
Baka na lang yun. Marketing strategy. The other one here is here.
Hello!
Scammer. You said you're gonna be early.
Eto, hindi ako nag-alarm. Gumising ako 8. Tapos alam mo, uminom pa sa bibig ko.
Bro.
Kala ko 11 AM na.
Pardon the face, guys. Ang dapit eh. Wala na akong ayos. Ako matulog.
Ba't palaging, yun na lang yung napapansin ko? Yung mga red flag. Ano pa? We're done.
Guys. Natangganda niyo.
Ba't sa tingin mo, ako yung last na dumating? Nagpaganda pa kasi ako.
Kahit maghilamos ka lang, okay na.
Inuupo ka ba, Anjay?
Oo, inubo ako nung hinabol ko si Gwen. Tignan mo, tumatawa. Buni! Buni!
When there's there's faster there. Okay.
Will always Ayan ka na. Ang hyper.
Sayaw mo dyan ah.
Yes. I'm here sa back. This is so fun. And we're here live. Gwen Clean! Round of applause! Round of applause! Hindi ako makapclap. Round of applause. Yeah. We're here finally after ilang years?
3?
3?
2019, di ba? Last time. Yeah. Pre-pandemic.
2019.
Just before, no? Or while it's starting.
December ata.
Yeah, December. It's always December 19.
First time na pumunta tayo dito na hindi gabi.
Oo nga. It's a new era.
Yeah,
Kasi
laging
pag-aral
early na tayo. Laging early na. Here's our cook. Gwen, this will be played when you're in 10 years.
10 years?
When you're, ano
Hindi
na?
nga, ikakasal siya by 27, di ba? Who are you thinking of?
Baka mabasag ko to, Gwen. Wait, okay na ata to.
Siguro
Okay na ba to?
kung malaman ni Angelica kung sino yung nagkaganon, baka mukha na yung nandyan.
Medyo nasira ko na siya ng konti. Sabi ko, huwag siya. Nasira ko siya na, oo. Sorry. Yan, it's good. Very good. Look at my prize. Ano ba yan? You told me to smash it. I did. Or...
Anarchy. I use all anarchy. When I try to make the other side panicky with my
tea bag for the sick girl.
No matter what they tell you. Kailangan mo lang pala ng camera. Anong part niya? Wala. Lahat. You say the price of my love's not the price that you're willing to. Angelica, it's our day. I'm so sad. Remember we made an arrangement when you went away. So call me mad. You'll be back. Parang mga ex lang. You remember you belong to me. I'll go mad. Ulit nga. Masaya si Angelica. Thank you, King George. Thank you, Angelica. George Washington. Kasi parang ganun. Deserve niya yun. For just a little second. That's how they're gonna tell the people how I'm for a second. 2 weeks later in my living room stressing. Up on his own face while you're asking for his blessing.
Oh, Gwen, practice!
Ayun mo.
Lagi lang sinasabi yan. Ang siya na rin.
Hello? Nalaglag-lag ng ticket! Red! Wait, nagka-aksidente si Angel, nagka-aksidente si Gwen. Step away, bro!
Food is finally finished. Thank you, our cook. She loves us. And
Ganda lang ang bag ko.
and ang bag ko is yung music and entertainment.
No, that's the shoes.
Ram, Rory Ram. Food, guys. Food. Time to eat. Nice day out, guys. We're gonna go for a walk. Kahit umaambon. If I get sick, I get sick.
Medyo malakas. Medyo malakas yung
Medyo malakas na, guys. I think we need payong. Hindi ko ma-risk. Hindi ko ma-risk yung health. Go get the payong, guys. Yun yung nalimutan ko eh. Sabi ko, parang may nalilimutan akong dalhin. And then eventually, na-realize ko, wala akong payong and hindi ko dala yung aqua flask ko. But that's fine. All is well. Ito na lang yung akin, no? Okay lang naman eh. It's so pink.
This is my route.
It's your route.
Imagine. Every day, 7 a.m.
This is... Saan dyan, Gwen? This one? Tour. Bango ng flower. Bango ng flower.
Boulevard. Maraming ganun na puno along Rojas Boulevard. Si Imelda Marcos yung nagpa-plant. From Hawaii ata yung trees? Yeah. From Hawaii.
History lesson yun, guys.
That is for my history lesson of the day. Thanks.
Thanks for listening.
Have yung mga events.
We're over there. My parents. I'm their child. You're doing great, bro! This is Gian's first biking lesson in her 20 years of life. 20. She's balancing for the first time and she's doing well. She's the mom. I'm the dad. Wala akong ambag, guys. Wait lang. Binubuli ni Gab si Gwen.
Walang nang bubuli sa akin. Bully mo si...
No! Gab!
Damer bagay sa Wendy.
Mga umiiyak. I am fine, guys. Oh no! Wait! Y'all are crying so bad. Meanwhile, hindi ko alam. Gusto ko na rin umiyak, pero bakit? Shucks, hindi pa ako naiiyak. Grabe itong dalawang to. 2 episodes in of Bluey. Wala na. Wala na. It's me.
Lagi mo yung vibe.
Hi, good morning. We're coming to you live. I'm at Ram's chair and it's very comfy. Pwede ka na matulog dito. Ganito yung energy ko. That's good, bro. What's up? There are campers at Baguio. They're coming home. I wanna go home somewhere. Okay. We're gonna go home na in a few hours. Kala mo nagbakasyon eh. We're gonna go in a few hours. Mag-check out na po kami. Mag-check out na po kami around 10 a.m. Usually ganun yung check out, diba? Check out time.
10 a.m. yung check out time.
Ayun guys, we're gonna check out na. Review ko sa place na to, it's very realistic. And it's very homey. And cozy. And I think yun yung kulang ngayon eh. Sa mga place, yung mararamdaman mo yung home. Yeah, this place guys, 11 out of 10. If nag-exist yung ganong rating. 11 out of 10. Like, the owner says, wag daw kayo mag-book dito. Alam, ba't nag-orange? Kami lang daw pwede. Oh, VIP! Sorry, guys. VIP kami. Di nyo kaya. Hanap kayo ng iba. There's a camp. Youth camp.
2024.
Oh, see you there! Pero ano?
See you there.
See you there, pero wala ako doon. I'm here.
I will see you there.
I hear you. Sinabi. I-replay natin yan. If yun man.
We'll see.
We'll
Did
see.
she say bear or here?
Matagal na namin pinalaan na itong sleepover. Ngayon lang natuloy. 2019 yung last. 2019 yung last. And now it's 2024. Oh,
5 years.
5 years?
Magpa 5 years.
Magpo 5 years,
Kasi
guys.
December tayo.
Can you see the drawing? Ngayon lang nakulayan. Ngayon lang nakulayan. So, understandable kasi pandemic eh.
Glamping tayo.
Glamping daw. Oh, guys, narinig nyo na.
Glamping. We're not the 2019.
We're not the 2019 kids, guys. Alam nyo, yung difference ng 2019 to 2024. 2019, nagawa pa namin magpuyat. Maging hyper, mag-iyakan. Kaso kagabi, ewan ko ba? Scammer to. Scammer yan. Alam niyo kung bakit? Natulog na siya. Siya unang natulog. Because she was very tired. Yeah, oh my goodness. I'm so proud of you! Hindi kasi guys.
Proud of you, pero kagabi.
Oy!
Well,
Hindi, okay lang yan. Hindi kasi guys. All-nighter to. Lagi nagpupuyat to. Pero ngayon, it's ngayon. 12 na siya natutulog. Palakpakan! Woo! Sound effects na. True.
I'm going to defend myself. Because last night, I wasn't asleep. I was awake. I was responding. Medyo hyper nga ako sa bed. Humihiga lang ako. Pero they turned off the lights. And I was like, okay. It's time to sleep. Pero I was awake. Yun lang.
I'm back. And somebody took over the camera vlog. No. The light story, it's true. Pinatayin namin yung lights kagabi. Bakit siya nagagabi? Pinatayin namin yung lights kagabi. Kasi napapagod na rin ako noon. No 2019, Angelica.
why did you say that?
The version of us this year is very different na. Di na kami yung malakas.
Si Gian lang yun.
Si Gian lang yung malakas. Kaya na pa. Pero ako hindi na, guys. Nursing will kill you, bro. Work will kill you. Reviews will kill us. Which is, guys, I'm gonna give a rating of the chef. It's 11 out of 10. Hi, G! Palakpakan! You're here.
Really?
Like I was saying, guys, siya yung kaya mo magpuyat. Alam mo ko na ba, hinugasan ko na yung last spot doon.
Thank you.
Tapos lumabas sila, sabi niya, Angelica? Wala, isa. Di joke lang. Sabi niya, Angelica, are you washing? Don't wash. Sabi ko, Ram, it's fine. Ito lang namang isa. Tapos sabi ko,
Hindi natin mapigilan sa sarili.
oo, tapos sabi ko, Gram, matulog ka na ulit. Tapos sabi niya, no, my tooth is aching. I can't sleep. Tapos sabi ko, do you have medicine? Tapos sabi ko, no, I don't have. Tapos sabi ko, sige, I'll ask Gwen. Thank you, Angelica. He went in, what was it up from? It's okay. Where was I? Ayan, the rating of the chef, 11 out of 10. Ano masasabi mo sa food?
Masarap.
Yun, guys. Gwen, what did you cook?
I cooked creamy sun-dried tomato pasta and chicken cutlets.
Cutlets, guys. You don't get that kind of food every day. That's why, guys, I'm recommending this place. It's 11 out of 10. For the campers that are going home right now in the Philippines,
Galing nga, Brad.
I bid you goodbye. And I pray that for traveling mercies upon you. And for those who are traveling outside the country,
American Pass. Yung mga videos of 9:30.
may you, yes, have fun. What's up, guys? Guys, medyo ano na tayo sa check-out time natin. The owner is still...
When parents say that,
They mean ano?
It's... What time is it? It's
showtime.
It's 10:11. Yeah. Tatamad na mag-ayos, guys. Ito na yun. This is it. View. We got free tahoe from Tita. Those are the fits. This is my fit. Pants and then black shirt. And then that's them. And this is tahoe, guys.
Sa amin wala. Yung dumadaan. Yung classic lang ito.
The residents. We're checking out. Late check-out lang kami, guys. Mga 10, ano na eh. 10:35 na.
36.
10:36.
When it comes to mom and dad, 10:45. Basta 10.
Yes, this is a 10. We did 10. Goodbye. This is 11 out of 10 sa Airbnb.
Airbnb na free.
Airbnb na free. Someone's dying. And someone's happy. And someone is tired. Wrap off na kami nila dito here sa MOA. And I'm going home. Bye, guys. I think this is the last of the vlog. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye, guys. Bye. No. Bye-bye.